Houston rolling Roundup. Let's see what you got. Houston rolling Roundup. What is it? Where is it? What's the vibe? Man, I'm getting set up in New York in this year, 2024, so I can't make it to this year's Roundup, which is happening in about 5 hours. But you know, the best I can do is to give you a glimpse of 2023, last year's Roundup, my first one, to get you excited for the weekend. Now, if you're a seasoned roller or a brand new skater, whether it's your first Roundup or your 5th Roundup, I guarantee you'll have a good time. Now check out last year's video, and I'll see you next year in 2025. Let's go. Oh, and by the way, if you like the video, share the video, follow the channel. I'll be hitting you guys with much more skating, photography, travel, what have you, in 2024 and beyond. It's the Don. I'll see you next time.
We're standing next to him, we're going whack! Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Whoa! 1, 2, 3.
Drop that bitch.
Hit it. Hit it. Hit it.